As you can see, we're starting out with just the basic crimped hair. So since it's Valentine's Day, we're gonna go ahead and do a little heart-shaped hair tutorial. We're gonna start out by making the heart. We're gonna come and find the center where we wanna start her heart. We're just gonna use a rat tail comb. We're gonna make a heart shape. On the one side, we're going to come back and do that on the other side as well. Probably have to adjust it a little bit, just kind of comb the hair out of the way to see if we got a good heart shape here. Have to adjust it just a little bit to make sure it's a cute heart. And as you can see here, she's just got a heart shape. Make sure that comes down. In her hair. Once we've got that looking pretty even on both sides, we're going to just kind of clip that hair back. You can see the heart shape on both sides here. See the heart shape there? We're just going to clip that hair kind of out of the way. And we're going to start at the top here and kind of work around this. We're just going to start by taking a small section, kind of right at the center here. Right here, kind of right at the center of this heart. We're going to use some elastics, just a small elastic. Pull it back. She's going to hold on to the elastics for me. Okay, now when I have that first one done, I'm going to want to tighten it. And then I'm going to split this in half because I'm going to go opposite directions here. I'm going to take another section of hair right up here. Pull this up. With the elastic, I'm just going to start to wrap this hair around the heart shape. Make sure I get it tightened up. And come. I'm just going to work my way around the heart shape using the elastics. You can see I'm just going to kind of work all the way around here, all the way towards the bottom. I'm not going to do the bottom one because I'm going to connect these at the end, and I'm going to wait to do that until I'm done with both sides. I'm going to need to use a bigger kind of ponytail elastic for that. I'm going to start working my way around this other side. You can kind of see the heart is kind of taking shape here. We're going to add some pink tulle to this, kind of give it an even more defined heart shape. Just want to kind of keep it even. You want to remember I did 3 on that side, so I want to make sure I do the same amount on this side. So that it looks nice and even. Now remember, I'm not going all the way to the bottom here. I'm going to do that in a little while. Okay, now it can't really see it here, but we're going to end up with this kind of heart shape. We're going to move the tool along this line here. Now, in order to do that, we're going to use some bobby pins. And this tool. I've got some pink sparkly tulle that we're going to use. We're going to start it right here. We're just going to clip it around it here. We're going to get clipped into her hair here. And then we're going to work our way around this heart. We're kind of going in right where her elastics are. If we need to at the end, we'll kind of adjust it so that we make sure we get a good heart shape. We probably want to pull a couple of these up a little higher. So at this point, I'm going to leave the tool out. But I am going to pull together. Here, just give her a cute ponytail in the back. We're going to use that tool, that extra tool that we have to kind of wrap around as a bow. So we'll probably adjust these up here, give them a little bit more height, just so we have a little bit better heart shape. Pull that one down a bit and kind of come down here. She's got that heart shape here. Go ahead and kind of wrap that around. We're going to use this tool as her hair bow. cut some of those ends off of the tool to make it a little more even. Kind of pull that out, and you can see she's got that nice Valentine's Day heart shape to her hair, and that's where we'll leave it at for today.